Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode on your TCL TV. First, press the gear button on your remote control to open TV settings. In TV settings, you're gonna have to navigate to System menu, and then in System menu, scroll down to Game Mode and switch the toggle to the right next to this option, then press OK. This will automatically change your picture mode to game mode, and it will also increase response time for external devices. And to disable it, just switch this toggle to the left. If you don't see this option, then check for available software updates, which you can find in Settings, Device Preferences, About, Software Update, Network Update, and then check both System Update for your TV in this section and Service Update in this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.